there's something about Bali that just slows you down. And day 4 was the perfect ending. From the breathtaking cliffs of Uluwatu Temple to the stunning glass pool at the Edge Valley, then a peaceful walk along Ilasti Beach, where the world feels still for a moment. We ended the day at Jivaran Bay, just soaking in the calm before the evening lights. Join me in this unforgettable finale. Tara, sama ka sa gala. Hi guys! So magandang araw! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing the last part of my 4-day Bali Indonesia tour. Our first stop for today is here at Uluwatu Temple, one of the most iconic spots here in Bali. Tara na sa loob, let's explore this beautiful place together. At sila nga pala ang mga kasama ko sa tour na ito. As usual, dapat nakasuot ng sarong. Kami na mahaba naman ang damit ay belt na lang ang ipinasuot sa amin. By the way guys, ingat lang kayo dito sa Uluwatu Temple dahil may mga monkey kasi na mahilig mangagaw ng gamit. Kaya ipupunta kayo dito, maging watchful sa paligid dahil baka isa kayo sa maagawan nila ng gamit. Every corner here is Instagram worthy, kaya naman ang hirap hindi mag-stop para mag-picture or video. We're just enjoying the peaceful view, the ocean breeze, and the beauty of nature around us. We're now heading up guys to the viewing deck. Medyo nakakapagod, pero worth it. And wait till you see the view of the Indian Ocean from up there. Grabe, ang ganda. Just look at that view. The Indian Ocean looks so stunning from up here. Super worth it ang long walk papunta sa viewing deck. The waves are huge and the breeze is so relaxing. Definitely one of my favorite views here in Bali.
Ay, papatubo.
Okay. Ano dyan?
Pangtubos.
Kinabahan?
Ano?
Okay.
And that's it for Uluwatu Temple. What an unforgettable spot. Now we're heading to the Edge, one of Bali's most famous luxury cliff resorts. We've just arrived here at the Edge Valley. Ang ganda ng place, super elegant and relaxing yung vibe. For now, we're waiting here at the lobby while Sir arranges our day pass and spot for the day.
Ang preparations ng isang candidate sa course. Usapin namin yung course. Ano well, the manager course sa ating nag-iisang shebangs. Yan. So ma'am, saan po ito? Ricky Reyes po ba ito? Or ano ba yung group of, international group of salon?
Actually, this is sponsored.
Oh! Aray naman talaga. Tapos, yung salon na yun? Of course, ito talaga yung pinakahihintay na lahat. Ang babaeng nag-set ng standard sa outfitan. Ang babaeng nag-ielo ng outfit na nabudol ng 1 million.
Ang shade ng
outfit natin. Aquino ba ito? Or ano? Or yun yung parang nakasale na parang 8-8 natin. Naka-check out sa 8-8 sa ano?
Kaya yung order daw niya, red, yellow.
Yellow dumating. At saka alam mo yung preparation, sobrang haba daw yun. Dahil sa sobrang haba, pinutulan niya.
Okay, so yan po mga kaibigan ang istorya ng outfit sa Indonesia. Bye! Gana!
Park going to the pool area here at the Edge Valley. It's just a few minutes drive from the lobby. And honestly, I feel so amazed right now. We rarely get to experience something like this. That's why it feels really special. After a few minutes ride, we finally arrived here at 180 degrees at the Edge Valley. Grabe, the view is absolutely stunning. It's giving luxury paradise vibes. Can't wait to show you more around this beautiful place. Finally, we're here, guys! Grabe, look at this view. Sobrang ganda. Ang cozy at super relaxing ng vibe dito. Kaya if ever pupunta kayo ng Bali, isama nyo na rin ito sa inyong itinerary dahil siguradong mag-enjoy kayo. At ito guys, ang sikat na 180-degree pool dito sa The Edge Valley, overlooking the breathtaking Indian Ocean. Pwede kang maupo at magpa-picture sa mismong edge ng pool at yung kuha sa'yo usually sa spot na ito nakatayo. At syempre, hindi pwedeng wala tayong photo dyan dahil yan lang naman yung sinadyan natin dito. Joke lang guys, kasi aside from that, marami pang Instagrammable spots dito. I'll show you more later. Dito naman tayo guys sa kanilang man-made lagoon. Isa rin ito sa mga Instagrammable spots dito. Ang ganda ng tubig at sobrang calm ng ambience. Perfect spot to relax, take photos, and enjoy the view. At ito guys, yung day beds na available for us. May free towel na din na pwedeng gamitin. Perfect yung spot to chill and enjoy the view habang nagre-relax. At ito naman yung food namin guys. Grabe, ang sarap. Sulit na sulit talaga yung nagastos namin. And that's it for the Edge Valley. Paalis na kami ngayon dito guys. Siyempre, sakay ulit ng golf cart palabas. Grabe, ang saya ng experience dito. Pero siyempre, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang ating Bali adventure. Our next destination is Melasti Beach. And we're finally here at Melasti Beach. Ang ganda din dito guys. Ang lawak ng shoreline, maputi ang buhangin, at sobrang linaw ng tubig. Perfect place para mag-unwind at mag-relax. At ito ang mga cottages dito guys, overlooking the beach, kaya perfect spot to chill and enjoy the view. 3:30 PM na makarating kami dito sa Melasti Beach. At grabe guys, ang init pa. Kaya ayaw ko muna sana maglublob sa dagat, pero dahil saglit lang kami dito, pumunta na rin kami sa beach area para ma-experience ang dagat sa Bali. There's something about Melasti Beach that just makes you slow down and appreciate the moment. The sound of the waves, the breeze, the wide open view. Everything feels so peaceful. A perfect reminder to just breathe and enjoy where you are. That's it guys for a quick visit to Melasti Beach. Tara na at excited na ako sa next destination natin, ang Jimbaran Bay. Mag-early dinner na tayo. Can't wait. And we're now here at Jimbaran Bay. Dito kami mag-early dinner before our flight back to Manila. Ang ganda ng ambience dito guys. Imagine kumakain ka habang tanong yung sunset ng dagat. Perfect way to end our Bali. These are Indonesian performer guys. Ang saya kasi they're singing Filipino songs, anak, and gitara. Sayang lang hindi ko maparinig sa inyo dahil baka makopyright tayo. As the plane takes off, I can't help but look back at all the memories we've made here in Bali. Beautiful places, amazing food, and unforgettable experiences. Till next time Bali, will always have the peace of my heart. At dito ko na rin muna tatapusin ang video na ito. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin hanggang dulo. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!